오버젤러스 브레이니액 트루 버라이어티.
Overzealous Brainiac, chill with Chris, of course. Today we're going to change Mr. Wheel out with Nick's wheel, and perfect. And then be ready for tires after that, because this does have a little wobble. And then maybe, what do you think? We still have to adjust this? Maybe do a little adjustment. I think this is good.
Yeah, it's crooked.
It's still crooked up here. Yeah.
Yeah, the wheel's crooked.
So.
A little bit of project.
So yeah, we're gonna work on that. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started.
I think the first thing we should do is raise the bike and look at how bent the wheel really is with respect. Give her a turn.
See how she's like, okay, so you see this part? It's like this way, straight.
I mean, this one appears to be real good.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just take this one off and then what? Switch the rotors and stuff. Chris is getting all those out. Get this ready too. Get both these out done so we can knock all this stuff out. If I dip out of here about like 3, you think that'll be a good time to check the fluids? Think it'll be cool down? I know you guys were talking about the
Oh, you never checked the coolant that day?
it looked fine, but the other day too, yesterday, when I wrote it, it did the same thing you guys were talking about, where I turned on. What came up?
The fan came up?
Yeah, with a family or something like that, yeah. So that's the reason I was like, alright, we'll check it today, because we did it yesterday, but the fluids look fine, but just do another check today. My bad, I'm still good. I love coming down here. You guys get so much sun. Like, I actually gotta go so well.
Hair's nice and thick.
Yeah, like, maybe not as fine.
Not like Ohio. I always think about Tim's. You see all the stores.
Yeah, I mean, everywhere in Ohio, though. That was the best part.
Nice and thick. Yeah, it should be pretty cool. And it's always up here. It's up when I park. It's always up top so I can see it too.
Oh, yeah, you're there too, bro.
Right here.
Yeah.
That is gonna kill me one day.
I mean, let's get tires like ASAP, bro. Cause like I said, I don't know how Nick's rode on his, so me riding on his tire. I do like my tire, but like I said, it's, you know, we're all in the same boat. We might as well get tires like next weekend or something. Oh, we're good. sweating like fountains. God damn. Look at all these black pants, black. Let's see where we're at.
We don't want grease on these threads. We gotta clean up all this grease.
You got any more shop or no?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, man. Cool. Alright, so this is 44 foot-pounds.
Finches are 16. Yeah, loosen up these and line it up and regular.
Yeah, I got some of that cafe stuff usually, that cafe bistro or bistro stuff or whatever. So it makes Alrighty. So new wheel. Straightened out again. We'll definitely try this out for this week, see how it works.
This right.
Test ride.
Whoa.
Well,
Loctite's got it. Right.
Well, no, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, let's chill. Cause you remember I said we can check the coolers and stuff too while that's still going on. Cause that's why I was like, yeah, all that stuff's gotta, just chill out.
Kickstand down.
Yes, sir.
And we got some grease. You know, if we didn't do anything, at least we got some grease in the mix.
Yeah.
It looks way straight.
I was thinking my kickstand was crooked for certain. That's fine. Yeah. That's fine. All right, bet.
I can push you, and then you just don't hit the brake. You figure out if it's straight or not.
Nah, we can wait. We can wait. We got time. We got time. There's no rush. We go get some water, dude. We need to get some hydration.